Well, and yes, we have a ground stop at the airport, which is actually located right on down here toward the south of Atlanta. This storm is moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Seek shelter. Definitely seek shelter here. We got some nasty conditions in Atlanta. It's been a terrible rush hour with the rain coming down all morning long. I actually drove over a tree this morning myself, so be careful. A lot of falling trees are possible. In Georgia, we've got more than 40,000 customers that are currently without power, and in Alabama, it's even more than that, more than 62,000 customers without power. Speaking of Alabama, just over the state line into Georgia, this is where we still have tornado warnings going for Early County. Also around Miller, we do have looks like rotation being studied here right around Mayhaw, moving off toward the northeast. Some of these storms are racing toward the northeast between 50, 60, even sometimes 70 miles an hour. So you definitely want to seek shelter as soon as you are put under that warning. There's a little bit of rotation being cited here. Kind of hard to see. It's a little broad right now, but again, a tornado could happen at any time within this particular thunderstorm as it moves off toward the north and east. Early Miller counties, this is a tornado warning for you guys until 8:45 Eastern time. Radar indicated showing that rotation right there. We take a little bit of a shot, let's widen out a little bit more and show you perspective. You got Dothan, Alabama once again under the gun. We had winds of 66 miles an hour earlier this morning. Large hail, baseball size hail with some of these storms. There again is a look at Atlanta, Georgia, where we're going to continue to monitor this tornado warning. Again, even if it's not an actual tornado making, connection to the ground, it could still be producing very strong winds enough to topple trees onto power lines and on top of interstates too. You can see some of these interstates that are involved. Besides 285, you got 675, 75, and even 85. So this is a major hub, of course. We do have a ground stop at the airport, Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport. Storm racing towards Forest Park right now. East Point after that as well. And you can see this is a downtown connector right here. And it looks like surrounding that tornado warning, we might be going under a severe thunderstorm warning as well. Yeah, it looks like they just issued that severe thunderstorm warning on top of the tornado warning. Let's take a look and see what it looks like in Atlanta, Georgia.